Sources of data collection for case study. Case study. Case study means in-depth detailed study of the uh, particular selected event or occasion or incident. In-depth detailed investigation, detailed analysis, detailed explanation, thorough analysis of the single selected event, that is called as case study method. So whatever information, data or case selected by the scholar, single event, single program, thoroughly analyzed through this case study method. So according to scholars, researchers, there are several sources for this case study method. They are personal documents, which desires and memories, autobiographies, letters of the researchers. Personal documents, memories, autobiographies, letters. These are sources of the case study method incident to analyze thoroughly. And qualification and interest of the researcher. Without qualification, without interest of the researcher, there is no possibility to analyze about the research area. So topic must be, case must be detailed analyzed, clear analyzed by the scholar, that is based on qualification of the scholar and interest of the scholar. If he doesn't have any interest to analyze about the case, there is no possibility to export the data. So that is depends on qualification and interest of the researcher. And third source of the case study source is life history of the respondents. Life history and their personal background, what they studied, and their biography, how they developed. And in this case study method, thorough investigation is necessary. In this purpose, so research scholar should try to seek maximum information from the respondents, and respondents life history also necessary to narrate the case study. And fourth source of the case study method is motives and objectives of the study. Whatever objectives prepared by the case study, objectives, so these are examples to chapterize his case. So whatever objective of the case study, so he should try to analyze about the data, information based on his objectives. So whatever objectives prepared by himself, so based on his case, data can be explained, narrated by the scholar through these objectives.